In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check permission profiles in Docusign. Checking permission profiles is an essential task for managing your team's access and capabilities within the Docusign environment, and today I'll guide you through each step with ease. First, let's head over to Docusign's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in docusign.com. This site is your go-to hub for electronic signature management and intelligent agreement handling, providing a comprehensive suite of tools for all your documentation needs. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a range of options and features that emphasize the platform's versatility and user-friendly design. Now, find and click on the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the web page. You'll need to enter your login credentials, so have those ready and ensure they are input correctly. Logging in is the key to accessing your Docusign account, where all your administrative and user options reside. If you've forgotten your password, most likely there will be a link to help you reset it just below the login fields. Once you're logged into your account, navigate over to the Docusign home. This page acts as your dashboard, showcasing a summarized view of your documents, templates, and any actions you might need to attend to. From here, it's straightforward to locate different features and settings essential for document management. Next, you'll want to click on the Admin button. This option is generally available on the toolbar or menu section, where you'd find major administrative functions. Accessing this area allows you to manage team settings, track document history, and above all configure profiles and permissions for different account users. After entering the admin section, your next step is to click on Permission Profiles. In this section, you're empowered to view, modify, and assign different permission levels to users within your organization. Permission profiles are crucial as they determine what actions different team members can perform, from viewing documents to sending them for signature. This is where you can fine-tune access based on roles and responsibilities, ensuring that everyone has the appropriate level of access. By following these steps, you're now able to confidently check and manage permission profiles in Docusign, contributing to better security and efficiency for your organization. Always remember, keeping your permission settings updated is a best practice to safeguard sensitive information and streamline workflow processes. Thank you for watching, and make sure to explore more about Docusign's features to maximize your productivity.